Hello there, Drama Mama Programa Ohana. Today we're making pom-poms. Drama, 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 drama. Pom-pomming is fun and easy. You'll need a glass, a pair of scissors, some yarn, some cardboard, a bottle top, some foil, and a marker. Okay, we're ready then. Let's pom-pom. Get some foil and fold it up a few times. This will help you sharpen your scissors. Just cut through it a few times and you'll be surprised how they help your scissors cut. So great, let's get that cardboard and our drinking glass. And the width of that glass will be about the size of your pom-pom. So place it upside down on the cardboard and trace it with a marker or a crayon or a pencil. Do that again, because we'll need 2 of these circles. And now we'll use those sharp scissors to cut out these 2 cardboard circles. We do love recycling, huh? Sure we do. So we've got one, and now we cut the second one. Take your time because these circles will have to lay on top of each other and match up. Excellent. Now take one cardboard circle and take that little bottle top. And get out your marker, center the bottle top, and trace it. It feels like you're drawing a donut, doesn't it? Oh, I didn't make the line very well. I'm going to bear down harder on that marker to make a real clean marker line. A circle within the circle. That's better. Okay. So now we're going to cut out that circle within the circle. Just cut right through to the inside. Carefully cut out that smaller circle. Excellent. Now it looks like we're going to create a letter C. We're creating an opening in that cardboard donut. And remember, we have 2, so we'll lie them on top of each other. And now we'll trace the first one so we get a real good match. Yep, take your time, make a firm line. That's what it looks like. Okay, yours might be even neater than mine. Perfect. Cutting out the circle within the circle. We don't have donuts so much now as we'll have a couple of cardboard letter C's. C for craftiness. Here we go. Lay them on top of each other. And now we get the yarn. And my secret, my little tip, is that I always use 2 yarns at once. So you can separate your ball or skein of yarn so that you have 2. You'll work twice as quickly. And what we do is wind our yarn one loop at a time around these cardboard C's. Holding it in place, take your time. You want to completely cover the cardboard. Nice and tight. And keep in mind that the more yarn, the denser and fuller the pom-pom. So I'm trying to keep mine really tight and close, and I'm pushing it down right to those cut edges and just looping the yarn around this cardboard C. It might fall off a little bit, no worries. Just keep holding on to the cardboard letter C. C for clever. Aren't we clever? So you might end up wrapping this little cardboard little C, maybe, I would say at least 4 or 5 times all around, and that's going to give you a really dense, full, bouncy pom-pom. So take your time, use all that yarn, squish it in all the way to the corner, because we have to make up for that empty space that we cut out. So we put in a little extra near the edges. And then you go over it one more time for good luck. All right, looking good. Okay, so you'll have something that looks like this, and you'll cut off those edges. Should feel pretty tight. Nothing loose in there. Okay, looking good. Now let's get those sharp scissors and we place them in between the cardboard C's and slowly, carefully slice through all those layers of yarn. This is why we sharpen the scissors with the aluminum foil. Just makes our life a little easier. Take your time. Your scissors are nestled in between those cardboard C's. And you just keep cutting till you're all cut through. And something will look like this. Okay, so now we take a piece of yarn and thread it in between those cardboards. Can you see? And we're going to tie a knot in between the cardboard. Yeah, tie it really tight. You're tying all of those short pom-pom yarns together now so that we'll be able to remove the cardboard. So tie it a few times, use your strength, and make a really strong knot. And I like to leave a little loop before I pull these off. So you can tie your loop in. It'll give you something to hang from it later. And there you go. That's the ruff of our pom-pom, and it's fun and bouncy and it's looking good. However, it could look a little better. So we give it a little haircut and even it out. And now, here we go. We've pom-pommed! It's fun! And now we can do it again and again! Drama! Drama! Drama!